Look, look, my baby is growing. Look at her. The rest of them are not, but she is. She's thriving.
Looks like everything's dead.
No, it does look like that, doesn't it?
Don't you need some of this? Don't you need some of this?
No, not yet. But it's only $4. So, ran low today to get the rest of our garden supplies that we're gonna plant in February. We're picking up some peppers and some tomatoes and some beets. I think Skylar wanted to get. They have them.
Tomatoes and
Peppers.
Oh.
Peppers. Tomatoes and peppers. That's what we're getting today.
beets.
Okay, and beets. They don't have the kind of peppers that I want. I really want cherry peppers, but we're gonna have to get these.
That just gives you the tray to put it in.
Yeah. Well, this has a lid. So I think we should get 2 of these. Which is the better deal? 8 or 4? Or 32 or 50? Where'd you come from?
I only have like the big boys. I don't have small ones. It's potato planting day with the Thrashers.
I gotta put all my potatoes in this cardboard box and in this plastic tub. I get a little layer of this seed starter going. Are you okay? I don't know if this is gonna be enough, but we're gonna see. Oh, you think my outdoor one will work? Can you go read what that says? What kind of soil that is? It's outside. It's a blizzard out here. It's got me tracking all the way out here in the middle of a snowstorm. Let's see. Where is it? Oh. She got this all the way down here so I can't get to it. Ah, indoor. This helps. Freezing off for that. I don't even think you can see me. But it's like 15 degrees up here. And I'm freezing. I planned well and we're kind of out. So we're gonna use this with a 50-50 mix of that potting plant. Or as close to that as we can get. Cup of that. Cup of this. Mix it up. Now we got the bottom down. We're gonna throw our potatoes in here. Want these sticking up. Now I gotta do the exact same thing in the other one. Then the couple little ones we have left, we're just gonna plant in these. All gone. We already have some onions sprouting, like 16 of the little guys. We'll do a whole update on this in a second. And then we got all the potatoes planted. It's supposed to be really cold this week, so we'll see if we move these or not. You gonna tell them what we're going to start? What are you most excited for? Which one? The beets? I don't think you can have those. But let's see, where are we gonna get started today? We've definitely gotta do the tomatoes and the peppers. And then, baby, I don't know, are you supposed to do the beets now?
It starts in February.
So should I plant them now or wait until next week?
You can go ahead and do it now.
Okay, I guess we're gonna plant all 4 of these now. With the help of Zero. Comes with little labeling to label my plants. We're gonna start by adding a base of dirt to all of these, and then we're going to, I think, start with the peppers. It comes with a little vitamin for seedlings. All of them?
Yep.
For now. Which one do you want to start with? The sweet peppers or the bell peppers? Okay, we'll do it. Go together. Maybe. The dirt around? Yeah. Don't eat it. I didn't expect it to be blue. I don't really know what I expected it to be. Oh! There's a hole in my jug. No, baby. While I'm gardening, Skylar's burning the house down.
No, I'm meal prepping for us.
There's a lot of smoke coming from that.
You want to try my cabbage?
That's crazy. What is it?
Cabbage?
I don't like cabbage. I think it tasted good for someone who would like cabbage. That looks good though. Is that one mine? Oh.
It's hot.
No, it's Loki Gaddis. It's Loki. There is not a thought between those eyes. Not a thought. Like, garden corner. Ignore the mess. We're gardening. It's finally seed time. Seed time. First up, sweet peppers. I recorded it the right way. We could put about 2 or 3 of these in each of those. I'm gonna zoom in on the seeds. Oh, I tried to get away. Oh, now we're gonna take them and we're gonna cover them up with a little sweet pepper. Oh, I thought this would be easier to rip. Sweet pepper. Now we're just gonna follow up that process 1, 2, 3 more times with the other peppers and the beets and then tomatoes. Let's get to it. Yum. have 3 rows of tomatoes. A lot of those in there. Little spores. So we ended up with a shit ton of beets. So we have this entire egg carton is going to be full of them, and then we'll have 3 rows on our 50. So I hope Skylar really likes. Now the best part, I have to clean up my whole mess, which is a lot of dirt. Puppy check. Say hello. Did you have fun today? What was your favorite part? Okay, the temporary greenhouse is really coming together. We have a wall of potatoes, an entire row of onions, an egg carton of beets, 3 rows of beets, 3 rows of tomatoes, 2 rows of bell peppers, and 2 rows of sweet peppers. Now we'll come back in 2 weeks and see how much they've grown and add the rest of our plants. What do you think?
Looks good.
Do you think they're all gonna grow?
I sure hope so. You put a lot of effort into it.
Do you think those are gonna freeze?
I mean, that's also a possibility. I wouldn't leave them there at night. But it looks good. Really, Sandy? I'm sure you did. Probably just do.
Scraps of ribeye for Zero. Some ribeye, good. Is that good? Right. Ew. A brain cell, a brain cell, a brain cell.